Hey everyone, welcome to the STEM Sensei's channel, and today we're going to be talking about converting repeating decimals to fractions, and we're going to do it in less than 5 minutes. So sometimes this can be a confusing topic for most students, but I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Okay, so this first problem we have 0.5 repeating, and basically what that is 0.555 dot dot dot, and the dot 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 just basically means that the 5 is just going to keep repeating forever and ever. And so in order to convert this into a fraction, the first step that we need to do is we need to recognize that this 0.5 repeating is a tenth, right? And so since this is a tenth, we want to multiply this by 10. But in order to do that, we need to set this equal to x. So we have x is equal to 0.5 repeating. You multiply that times 10, and I'm going to use the star symbol as a multiplication symbol. And remember in algebra, whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now we have 10x is equal to 5.5 repeating. Now, since we have x is equal to 0.5, I'm going to bring this down to the bottom of this equation and have it equal to x is equal to 0.5 repeating. And now in order to get rid of the x and the decimal on the right-hand side of the equal sign, we have to subtract. So 10x minus x, this is a singular x, so that just means that there's a 1 in front of it. So 10x minus 1x is 9x, and that's equal to 5.5 repeating minus 0.5 repeating, and you get just a 5. Now, in order to get the fraction that we want, we need to get rid of the 9 in front of the x, and all we have to do is just divide by 9 on both sides. And so now we have x is equal to 5 over 9. And so to repeat the process for 0.48 repeating, it's the exact same way. That is 0.48, 48, 48, dot, 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 right? And so we do the same thing. X is equal to 4.8 repeating. Since this is a hundredth, we multiply this times 100 on both sides. And so now we have 100x is equal to 48 dot 48 repeating, right? And so just like we did up here when we recognize that x is equal to 0.5, we recognize that we do this and we bring this under this equation, right? X is equal to 0.48 repeating to get rid of those decimals. We subtract on both sides, and we get 99x is equal to 48, because these cancel out. And we repeat the process, divide by 99 to get rid of the to get rid of the 99 in front of the x. And we do that on both sides. And so now we're just left with x is equal to 48 over 99. All right, I hope that makes sense for you. We did that in less than 5 minutes. And so feel free to leave a like and a comment if you have any questions, if you want to see more problems like this. I know, like I said, this can be a confusing topic, but there'll be more to come.